Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Happy Cash Out Fridays. All right, ladies and gentlemen, happy Cash Out Fridays. Hope everybody's doing good out there. Hope everybody's grinding on it every single day. You have to find different ways to create more streams of income every single day. All right, this is what my channel is all about. Like I said, we're not colossal right now. We're not on a way different level. But I can teach you how to make $5, $10, $15, $20, $30 every single day. It's up to you to fit all these different tutorials and different methods that I do. Fit them in your daily schedule. All right, that's the hardest part. Once you fit it into your daily schedule and you have a rhythm, every single day you're gonna be able to make money. Every single day you're gonna be able to take that money and invest in different ways to make more money. You see what I'm saying? You don't want to just take this money and just spend it and then I have to come back to my system and try to make more. You want to just continue having a rhythm, using my system, using my different methods, using my different websites that I provide you guys. Keep doing that. Then after that, once you get that money, you can put it into something. Whatever it may be, whatever you want to do. You want to buy a book, you want to buy a course, you want to go to a seminar, you want to go somewhere, you want to go to a retreat, whatever, anything that has to do with learning a new craft that you could use in the marketplace to make some more money. This is what you have to do. All right, people, this is what you got to do. All right, let me just show you my PayPal real quick. This is a Cash Out Friday video. All right, look, $0 on my PayPal. All right, $0. All right, so let's make something happen so we can change that up. All right, now you can see, like I said, I show you my stats, people. I show you my stats, nothing crazy. All right, look, only made 5 cents today off of my referrals. Right here, made $1.68 yesterday off of my referrals. All right, so this is what I try to tell you guys. Do not rely on referrals. Never rely on referrals on anything. I don't care what you do. Never rely on referrals. Continue to grind. Continue to put your work in on an every single day basis. Record it. Take pictures. Share it. Share your link. Tell people what you're doing. And little by little, it's going to start snowballing. Little by little, it's going to start snowballing. Then you're going to be able to have something, all right? See right here, it's only $1.68 yesterday, right? The day before that, $5.60. That's a great day. You can make $5 a day every single day free off this site. Why not? $5.60, right? $5.86, right? $4.39. Then it's back to $1.42. $2.21. I mean 71 cents. $2.10. So you cannot look at it like, oh, what's happening? It's my referrals. You can never base it on your referrals. Continue grinding. Continue putting your work in. If you make $5 a day off this site, make sure you make $5 every single day off this site. All right, so it's all up to you. All right, I'm really trying to help my online team out there. I'm really trying to put in that work for you guys. Let me just grab my my phone right here. And I'm really trying to help you guys on an every single day basis. It's up to you to really put this work in. It's up to you on what you're gonna invest this money into. What are you gonna do with this money? All right. You see, look, three referrals, 1 referral, 5, 3, 2, 1, 1. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Anybody could do this. Nothing crazy. It's all about consistency and just keep going and just keep going. All right. Let me get to a cash out. Go to rewards right here. And it's up to you, all right? Because $5 a day, $5 a day, every single day. Just $5 a day, people. Every single day is $1,800. $1,825 at the end of the year. So it's an extra $1,800. It's up to you, all right? But this video right here, I'm going to show you how to make. I'm gonna show you how to make $12 every single day. $12 every single day. Now everybody like, oh well, what's $12? That's nothing. And if you're not making any type of side income, all you're relying on is your 9 to 5 money, $12 a day is gonna be gold to you. All right. So it's up to you on how. And if you want more, put in more work and make more money. All right. I'm gonna show you how to make $12 every single day using my system, using my methods. It's up to you to watch these tutorials. It's up to you to watch these methods. It's up to you to watch my different videos. Study those videos so you know exactly what to do on each and every site. All right, I don't want to make this video like 40 minutes long, so I'm not going to be able to tell you everything in detail. That's why you have to go back in my channel and watch these different videos. Watch different videos for Prize Rebel. Watch different videos for Offer Nation, Super Pay, Rewarding Ways, Slice the Pot. Watch these different tutorials. I teach you everything you need to know that's to make money on there every single day. All right. So $12 a day is $4,380 at the end of the year. I repeat that. $4,380 free money by the end of the year. So even if you spend Even if you spend $1,300 of this money, even if you spend $1,300, you still have $3,000 at the end of the year that you could save and actually put away and do something with. Use my system for a couple years. With this $4,380 off $12 a day, use my system for 3 years, you're over $10,000 saved money. So you could take that money and invest it and not have to use my system again. I know a lot of people are like, oh, it takes too long to build up, this is that and third. It's up to you. Slow money is better than no money. Slow money is always great because you know that it's going to be consistent. All right. Let me jump in here. Let me get in my PayPal real quick. Cash out, $20 cash out. $26.19. I'm gonna cash out another $5 later after this clears. I should have cashed it out as soon as I came on the video so it could clear by the time I get to the end of this video. I'm gonna claim this item right here. I just showed you remember I showed you the PayPal $0 in there. We're about to change that right now. One of these sites I'm gonna let build up. One of my other sites I'm letting it build. It's almost close to $200 right now. I'm gonna have another site that I let build. It's probably gonna be one of these. It's either gonna be Prize Rebel or Offer Nation. Most likely, I might make it. I might let Offer Nation build up. I might let Offer Nation build up and just maybe cash out every $50 or maybe cash out every $100. But when I cash that money out, I'm taking it to one of my accounts and I'm saving it. I'm gonna put it to big use later. All right. So you have to understand the philosophy of everything that I'm doing. All right. Everything I'm doing is for a reason. All right. I'm doing it now so I can invest into something else that's gonna make me more money. All right. So I'm not losing money. I'm just creating more money off of the free money that I initially got. All right. So I'm really trying to help you guys out. You can close this. And you can see my stats right here on the side here. All right, current balance $6.19, made 5 cents today, $1.68 yesterday. Points earned this month only $82, people. I only made 82. I'm not even gonna crack $100 for this month. All right, why? Because I've been so busy with my new job. Schedule is crazy. I don't have time to put in the work that I used to put in. All right. If you watch my old videos, I used to make $200, $300 every month on this site. All right, so you gotta understand that. Look at my points earned this year: $1,311.69. Lifetime points $5,469.23. 409 times I cashed out. Watch my YouTube channel. I have over 400 videos. I show you every time I cash out. All right. So look, $1,300 this year, $3,900 last year. I'm way under my my average of what I'm supposed to be doing, but like I said, I've been so busy doing different things. I'm gonna turn up soon. I just want to master my craft at my job, so I've just been putting a lot of work in with my job. It's another thing. People, show me some love. Follow me on Facebook. You can follow me on Facebook. You can follow me on you can follow me on Facebook at Jesse Lewis. You can follow me at Autoland Jesse. That's my new YouTube channel. You can watch that. Check me out. Show me some love. Subscribe. Share my channel. Anybody you know in the New Jersey area, you send them to buy a car off of me. Give you $100. My dealership cuts you $100 check. So that's another way to make some money. I'm gonna have a video coming out on that next. All right, just to inform you guys of what's the opportunity that we have to make money on an every single day basis. All right. So that $20 is going through. I'm gonna let that process real quick. I'm going to my Offer Nation account now. The video is $12 a day, right? $4,380 a month, right? How are you gonna do this? You're gonna come here and you're gonna put $2 on this site. You're gonna come to Prize Rebel, make $2. You're gonna go to Offer Nation, make $2 a day, every single day. I don't care what time you do it. I don't care when you have to do it. You're gonna go to Super Pay. You're gonna make $2 a day. All right, now I'm in a negative right here. All right, you're gonna make $2 a day. How am I in a negative? I'm in a negative because somebody probably did a survey or something like that, but didn't complete it. So they gave me the points too fast. So they probably wait until the person completes it, then that goes through. Rewarding waves, same thing, you get $2 on this site. So look, Prize Rebel 2, Offer Nation 2, Super Pay 2, Rewarding Waves 2. Here's Slice the Pie right here. Slice the Pie, you do music, you could review music, and you review commercials, and you review products, all right? Clothing products, hairstyle products, so easy. Watch my Slice the Pie video. Use my link so you can get a bonus to start off, all right? Look, you can do TV series, all right? You're going to watch short promo clips of TV series, and it's a bonus right now, so you get more money. See the bonus? you get more money. So this be like 13 cents, 15 cents each, depending on how much your star level is up here. All right, I got 3 level stars. Like I said, I've been so busy I can't even do what I gotta do. I should be at 5. So I'm gonna start turning up, people. I just want to get good at my job and know everything that I'm doing at my new job. Once I get that going, I'm gonna be able to take flight. All right, I'm gonna be able to take flight. All right, so you're gonna get $2 a day off each site. $2, $4, $6, $8, $10. All right, I have my other site right here. All right, I gotta just refresh this so I can play my videos. You're gonna get $2 on this site. You see I got $9.56 right here. $9.56 right here already. I'm not gonna even cash this out yet. I'll probably wait till I get to $20 or something like that to cash out. All right, so like I said, $2 on each site is $12 a day. $12 every single day will give you $4,380 at the end of the year. I'm really trying to help you guys. It's up to you. All right, it's up to you. Let me go back to my sites right here. Cash out real quick. $6.07. Happy Cash Out Friday video. All right, I'm going to withdraw right here. Go to withdraw. Oh, I gotta convert. Apologize for that. Gotta convert these points first. 607.91. Trying to move too fast here. 607.91. Cash this out real quick. Go to withdraw. This is every single day, people. Every single day, make something. Even if you make $1 a day off each site. Even if you make $1 a day off of each site, you're still at like $2,000 a year. You're still at $2,000, $2,190, $2,190 every single year if you just make $1 on each of these sites. And mind you, I have about 10 to 15 other sites that I do use that I can cash out on right now that I'm just not showing you guys right now. You see what I'm saying? Like it's on my channel, but I just don't have it up on this video. So I'm just trying to help you guys and show you what you can do. Go to withdraw here. Excuse me. Got a little slight cough here. All right. Offer Nation, what's that? $26 and some change here. Let's go to convert these points. And I'm probably gonna let Offer Nation build. Probably gonna let Offer Nation build up. Like I said, hit me up on Instagram. Free online money maker on Instagram. DM me, ask me anything. I'm here to help you guys. I'm really here to help you guys. $26.97. Let's convert this to cash. Oh, I did already. Withdraw. Always use instant PayPal. It's faster. Always use instant PayPal. It's faster. Make sure it's under $50. If it's not $50, it's going to take 24 hours, all right? Make sure it's under $50. If it's over $50, it's going to take a little longer. So what's that? $26. I cashed out $6 on my other site. That's $32 plus the $52 cash out, people. Happy Cash Out Friday. $52 cash out. $12 a day will get you $4,380 a month. It's up to you on how bad you want this money. It's up to you on how bad you want this money, all right? So watch my tutorials, watch my videos, put my apps and sites together, all right? Put everything together, and it will help you out on an every single day basis. This will help you out on an every single day basis. It's all about you and what do you want to do. All right, it's all about you and how you want to do it. So remember, it's all about you and how you want to do it. Put these apps and sites together every single day. $2 on each site that I just showed you is $12 a day. $12 a day is $4,380 at the end of the year. $4,380. Do not underestimate this money. I know it's not fast. I know it's not coming in a boatload. But at the end of the day, if you're not making $1,000 online a year, if you're not making $2,000, if you're not making $3,000 online every year, you have to use my system. Use my system. Do that. Invest. Take that money and invest in yourself. Buy courses. Buy books. And learn how to make this money. All right. Free online money maker signing out.